Narendra Modi-led Indian regime has deployed nearly 300 additional paramilitary companies in the Kashmir Valley ahead of the upcoming assembly elections. Deployment of the 300 additional paramilitary companies in the Kashmir Valley under the pretext of the so-called assembly elections would further exacerbate the already grim human rights situation in the occupied territory. These paramilitary forces have been stationed in different areas of the Kashmir Valley. According to a report by the Kashmir Media Service Research Section on the occasion of International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism, reveals that the Indian troops have killed 96,343 Kashmiris in the Kashmir since the last 35 years. The troops have also made 22,977 women widowed and 1,07,965 children orphaned in the Kashmir since 1989. All-Party Hurriyat Conference spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, denounced the heavy deployment, saying the military build-up reflects India's iron fist approach to suppress the Kashmiris' freedom sentiments. He appealed to the United Nations and international human rights organizations to pressure India to stop the exercise and initiate steps that pave the way for the resolution of the Kashmir dispute. BJP-led Indian regime has added over 11 lakh new voters, predominantly non-locals, to the voter list in occupied Kashmir since August 2019. This action has been widely denounced by the Kashmiri political leaders and activists as an attempt to alter the territory's demographic makeup. National Conference has released its manifesto emphasizing the need for Pakistan and India to engage in talks to resolve the long-standing Kashmir dispute. The manifesto addresses other issues like the restoration of Article 370, repeal the draconian laws like the Public Safety Act. Indian troops have launched a massive cordon and search operation in the dense forest of the Darhal in the Rajouri district.